Hello and welcome to Morphotonics Exhibitor Forum presentation during SID 2021. Today, we will talk about world's largest area nanoimprint lithography equipment, and not just one, but two of them. What is nanoimprint technology and why you should care? With nanoimprinting, many unprecedented products and experiences become possible. Sophisticated light management textures to enhance the experience of museum goers, automobile headlights, and more. Lifelike immersive gaming and augmented mixed reality experiences that help blur the line between real and digital worlds can all benefit from nanoimprint technology. With so many potential benefits, it's time to bring nanoimprint technology to the masses. So for those of you who have not heard of Morphotonics, who are we? We're a deep tech nano equipment supplier with the primary goal of democratizing nanoimprint technology, such that it's not just limited to small areas using wafer scale equipment. With our customer driven focus and ability to replicate nano and micron structures from 500 micron down to 50 nanometers over extremely large areas greater than 1 meter square, many more products and applications can now take advantage of nanoimprinting at affordable costs for mass production. Our roll-to-plate nanoimprint technology works as follows. Resin, specific to the structure being replicated, gets deposited onto the target substrate of choice, like glass, while a flexible stamp, aka submaster, is mounted on the four rollers on our system. The flexible stamp has anti-stick properties and can be reused over 500 times. The substrate gets fed into the system, and via the gap, pressure, speed, and even thermal control of the front-bottom roller, the inverse copy of the structure gets replicated onto the substrate, while the resin gets uniformly distributed across it. The structure then gets cured and eventually delaminated at the back end. The whole thing takes several minutes at most, depending on the parameters selected and the structure itself. You can actually see a real-life demo video through the QR code on your screen. For us, the name of the game for achieving manufacturing scale advantage is through large area imprinting. We achieve this by first transferring the active area of a master texture and tiling it on our flexible stamps with a proprietary method, and then utilizing and filling the full surface area with multiple products, whether it's on a Gen 3 or Gen 5 substrate. As a result, much higher production throughput, hence lowered per unit costs, are possible. At the end of the day, we are an equipment manufacturer. Hence, our application and product agnostic, while we try to serve as many markets as possible with our unique roll-to-plate nanoimprint technology. The display industry has been rapidly exploring and adopting our technology, where large area nanoimprinting can especially help unlock the market potential of applications like augmented reality glasses, 3D displays, mini and micro LED displays, anti-reflective cover glass, as well as wire grid polarizers and multi-structures on high brightness LCDs. At the same time, many non-display products such as LiDAR diffusers, biosensors, and solar panels can also take advantage of large area nanoimprinting for volume production. We have two main product categories. The Portis platform is aimed to satisfy the needs of customers for R&D purposes, while remaining a viable and powerful lower volume production equipment with both Gen 3 and Gen 5 versions, namely Portis 600 and the Portis 1100, which was launched at SID 2020. We have since installed multiple Portis 1100 lines around the globe in the last 1 year, some publicly announced, some not, despite the pandemic conditions. And those equipments are now starting to become operational at our customer sites. Portis is a capable machine with many bells and whistles and parameters that can be fully programmed to meet the customer needs for replicating structures from 50 nanometers to 500 micron. The Aurora platform, on the other hand, is our fully integrated and high-volume production solution. The Aurora 600, which you see in this picture, was launched in 2017 and has since been running production 24/7 at a display customer facility in Asia. With Aurora's field-tested and proven full robot handling and automated features, cycle times drop significantly, further increasing production throughput and lowering the BOM costs. But we didn't stop there, and we have been working to design the next generation Aurora system with the Aurora 1100, which we proudly announced during this week at SID 2020. So let's have a look. Between the Portis 600 to Aurora 1100 that you just saw, we have a large area nano-imprinting solution for every project and every budget and every customer. And this is how we intend to bring nano-imprinting to the masses at Morphotonics. In summary, we are a roll-to-plate nano-imprint equipment supplier. We have sold over 10 machines to leading industry players around the globe and have successfully installed them. Our large area roll-to-plate nano-imprint equipment not only can enable volume production of innovative optics at low costs, but also with high optical precision. The Portis 1100, which we introduced last year at SID, was considered to be the world's largest area nano-imprinting equipment in terms of substrate size, with Gen 5 at 1.1 to 1.3 meters. With the Aurora 1100s that we are introducing this week at SID, it is now the only fully integrated and automated such machine. As the entire Morphotonics team, we thank you for your time and attention, and we look forward to hearing from you to bring nano-imprinting to the masses.